Now I know you guys want to get straight into the money and the strategy that's got me here, but to appreciate the figures behind this, you've got to understand the journey that it's took to get here. You see, it'd be dead easy to give you that generic YouTube guru style advice. Upload consistently, be consistent with your approach, and upload the right way. But it were more than that. It were a commitment to myself. Learn a lesson from every video, roll with the punches, and whatever happened, never ever quit. And look where it's got me now. You see, in the beginning I was working a 60-hour work week in my normal job, coming home and on an evening getting out to that garage, pretending it were a workshop and just hoping that I could salvage enough footage to stock that week's video. But you guys know how that feels, I'm guessing. Am I right? But we've all done those hard yards of going out after the kids have gone to bed, worrying about that guru advice about stability, consistency, and building a community for our woodworking channels. But 6 months ago, something in me changed, and I've achieved my first £250,000 in woodworking and YouTube income. And the difference that's made is huge. It means summer's at home in the workshop, and the winters, well, they're going to be spent here in my new place with a new workshop, because I've got an exciting opportunity for a stall at a thriving tourist market, giving people on holiday that little taste of home. Now don't get me wrong, there's been challenges along the way, especially trying to set up a new workshop on an island that likes siestas even more than I do. This is more than just location. It's those other cravings in life that can now be fed. The desire to control my time, my direction, and to be able to do it my way. And this place is just a start, somewhere I never imagined I could afford working my day job. But with this new strategy, things are looking up. So what changed? Well, it was quite simple really. It was less to do with guru advice and more to do with just understanding the psychology and why people click, what makes people watch, and what's going to keep them tuned into me instead of watching all you guys. Doing the same thing and expecting a different result was just crazy. Switching things up, changing thumbnails, titles, and just that general understanding of how things worked. And so, as another day in paradise ends with a glorious beer, I suppose it's time to get down to business, because whether this has turned into a bit of an advice video or you're just here for the numbers, we've got to get into the studio and have a look at how these things have worked out. Now these figures are true as of today, the 1st of April 2026, and as you can see I am still under 2,600 subscribers, which is what's impressed me so much with what I've managed to earn. But taking in some of the other analyticals that you might want to know about, I've got just shy of 400,000 views. That's fairly good going, and if you look at this, the majority is coming more recent than they are historical. Again, all linking into that change. Watch hours replicates the same at nearly 12,500 hours. Who would have thought somebody wanted to watch this Muppet that long? But I'm grateful that they have. And then that brings us on to, well, that's not right. Now I don't know what's happened there. I could have swore the other day that said just shy of 250,000, and I would have imagined I'd have clicked over that by now. Let me just hit that refresh button and see what happens. Bear with me.
3, 2, 1.
Come on guys, if you've seen my channel, £250,000 cash? Come on. Not quite yet, but I tell you what, I'll make a deal with you, seeing as you've been such good sports and watched this video. When I do make it, and I will, I will share with you all how I did it. Because of one good thing I have found about YouTube is the community that's around it. Everyone is in it to help everybody else. I came into this thinking everyone would be so one-dimensional and everyone would be out for themselves, like the general picture that you get from social media. Genuinely not what I found in this space at all. I'd love to start giving shout outs, but there's so many people that have helped me from either early on in my career or even lately in some of the help and support groups that I've been in, where people with bigger subs than me mentor and help us smaller guys. So that only leaves a couple of things to say then, doesn't it? Thank you for watching. I'm Ross. This is Fat Hog Woodworking, and I hope to see you on the next build video or tool review. Until then,